day, ma'am. Welcome to Crimson Restaurant. My name is Rachel, and I'll be taking care of you today. Please wait for ma'am.
Excuse me, miss. Can I have your menu, please?
Here's our menu, ma'am.
One order for Spanish spaghetti and one grape juice, please.
I will repeat your order, ma'am. One Spanish spaghetti and one grape juice. Is that all, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, I will back in 20 minutes to serve your food. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Here's your order. One Spanish spaghetti and one grape juice. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
I want some wine. Could you recommend me some?
Okay, ma'am. I will back in a minute to get the wine.
Okay, thank you.
For waiting, ma'am. Here's your red wine of 2022. May I present it to you?
Yes, please.
How's the taste, ma'am?
Great.
Okay, would you like to leave this wine here?
Yes, please.
Here's your wine, ma'am. Enjoy.
Thank you.